Yo, stocks 5150. We are live. We are live. What we got? We have $43. We snuck in and did that last night. So yesterday was a hard one, but life goes on, right? So here we are. Stocks are crazy. What we got in the news? We got Schroeder agrees to 13.5 billion sale of Nivion. So okay, whatever that is. But what we're here to talk about is the unemployment claims. The previous was 231. The forecast was 220 is 20 222,000. So let's go to the charts. Let's see what we're looking at here. Um, see, February 5th was the last one, so last week. So we'll go into there and we'll look and see what happened, what the reaction was for February 5th. We're on the 1 hour and we'll go back to February 5th. We're up a little bit, 0.16%. Not much, but just a little bit. Okay, that's February 3rd. All right, February 5th, and it's at 8 o'clock. So February 5th, the previous was 209,000. So January 29th was 209,000 was unemployment claims. And the forecast for February 5th was 212,000. And the actual was 231,000. So it was more unemployment claims than expected. So what happened? You can see at 7 o'clock, leading up to it, the market was coming trending down. The data comes out at 8, and the market continued to trend down throughout the day. Throughout the day, the entire day, we crashed out. So that was the reaction for the February 5th unemployment claim right there. So we dropped. What is this? This is the open was 25,34, 25,034, and the close was 25,543. That doesn't make sense. 25,34. Twenty-five, 543. How does that make sense? How did it go down, but it closed? Am I reading this wrong? I'm probably reading this wrong because Sonny ain't got no glass. Whatever, man. Let's see. So that's 6 minutes while I'm fumbling around here. Yeah. Oh, I was looking at the wrong one. 24, 24, 965, 24, 744. Sorry. So we fell 200 points. But that was because the numbers were higher than expected. So this time, what they are expecting is, so last time was 231. We got 5 minutes, and they're expecting it to be lower. They expect it to be lower, but why? If it's lower, it'll only be lower because I got my fibs back on here. It'll only be lower because of well, people get exhausted and just don't file claims. But this is what is this, February? Because they already got the unemployment. So maybe that's why the numbers will drop if they drop. Because you filed for unemployment after you lost your job in January. So we'll see how the market responds to it, if it reacts at all. Um, Got a news story though. It says tariff revenue soars more than 300% as U.S. awaits Supreme Court decision. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So it says that customs duty collected tariffs totaled 30 billion for the month, putting the fiscal year date of 124 billion. Not saying it's nothing, but pretty sure that ain't solving all the problems. Whatever, man. Who cares? Worry about the chart. Worry about the charts. Let's go down to the 1 minute so we can see the reaction. Because you can see where we at overall on the 1 hour. We're still in this range. We've been in this range since back here since October. If I zone back more, but definitely been in this range all month, and it has chopped me up too trying to trade it. I'll just keep. You can look at those other videos. I kind of basically tapped out mentally yesterday. Like I'm done with this shit, and I am shifting gears. Just gonna take it as it comes. I'm just doing this stuff, man, just for fun. I don't have to do this. God has blessed me, so I need to quit acting like I'm not blessed and highly favored, man, for real. So that being said, what we got? We are 1 hour. We are sitting at this fib right here. This is going off of this range from yesterday. That's the ADP numbers. So this will be the unemployment claim, and we'll see what the range is for that. So we'll zoom in to a 5 minute. Got 3 minutes to go, but we're already pulling back. So being that we're pulling back, but we're also trending up higher overnight. Overnight was slightly higher, which you can see that that's that 0.19. So that could be pulling us up just so we can drop off, or we could be going higher up to here, but we'll see. Not jumping in nothing. Let's see how we're gonna respond. Go down to the 1 minute. All right, so we're curling like we hit a bottom over here. Hit the support. We did right there. 325 level. So five's coming up over the 14. We got a minute and 39 seconds before that number comes in. Remember, if the number is a miss, if we get higher numbers than expected, the market crap went down last month, and that would just be a continuation of what's been happening. Um, Very quick, we can look at this on the 4 hour. Right now, we're kind of up, and this is kind of creating a bull flag, okay, slightly, and we could pop and take off. So you see, I just got the fib in for this move from yesterday, not the complete move. All right. So like on the complete move, we're right here at the 50% also. So we got 52 seconds. Like if I just do this right quick from top to the bottom, most recent, most recent move there to here. And boom, look at it. Sitting right between the 50 and the 60 and the 61.8. So perfect placement, sitting right there in the middle of this move right here. And we're back, retrace back to the 50%. So now we're either gonna continue or drop off and come back and retest this. All right, pending news, pending. Let's leave it on. Let's see what we're gonna get. Go to the 1 minute. Let's see what happens. So far, top wick, top wick on 327. All right. We missed it. Forecast was 222,000 jobs. Actual was 227,000 jobs. So that means that it was more unemployment claims filed than before. Reaction is muted. Let's see, we're waking up to it. All right. So people trying to figure out. Remember, previously the market dropped. So let's go ahead and mark this up. This is the unemployment claims. I'll just put UE. Oh, yeah, I didn't type it. All right, unemployment claims. Higher. 227,000. Hope I can remember what that is. All right, so we got, so far it looks like, all right, so we're running back up now. It looks like we're not bothered. So this is a completely different reaction from before. Very interesting. There it is, making a move up. So, so it looks like we just kind of blew this off. No big surprise. So this could be a look above and fail. We come back down and just continue back to business. But let's see what we get. That ain't at the high right here. Target back to 363. Nice. Snatch and grab. So that's what we got. Unemployment claims. And the previous was 231. That was on February 5th. And today is February 12th. Forecast was 222,000. And the actual was 227,000. And the market's response was higher. We made a move up. All right. Stocks 5150. Stocks are crazy. Let's go. Peace. That's it for today. Well, that's it.